the wait is over. Canon has officially announced the V1 PowerShot, putting an end to months of speculation and leaks. Now that the details are here, let's break down what this compact camera offers and see if it lives up to expectations. Is it the ultimate vlogging and content creation tool, or just another addition to Canon's lineup? Let's dive into the features, performance, and overall first impressions of the Canon V1. Canon has finally unveiled the much-anticipated V1 PowerShot, a compact camera designed specifically with content creators in mind. At first glance, it's clear that Canon has focused on portability without sacrificing functionality. The V1 is lightweight, sleek, and pocket-friendly, perfect for creators on the go. Whether you're a vlogger, travel photographer, or casual content creator, this camera's design strikes a sweet balance between being small enough to carry anywhere and solid enough to feel premium. One of the first things you'll notice is the 3-inch fully articulating touchscreen, a must-have for modern creators. Whether you're framing a selfie, capturing dynamic vlogs, or setting up a traditional shot, the flexible screen makes composing your content incredibly easy. The ergonomic grip is another highlight. It's comfortable yet compact, offering a secure hold without adding unnecessary bulk. Unlike some ultra-mini cameras that feel too small to handle properly, the V1 seems to prioritize both portability and comfort. At the heart of the Canon V1 is a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a smart choice for a compact camera. This 20-megapixel sensor delivers sharp, detailed images with Canon's signature color science, making it an excellent tool for high-quality photography and content creation. The decision to stick with a 1-inch sensor feels familiar, aligning with Canon's previous G7X series, but the V1 pushes the envelope with upgraded processing power. Backing this sensor is the powerful Digic X processor. This boosts the camera's overall performance, enhancing low-light shooting by reducing noise at higher ISOs and ensuring fast, responsive autofocus. Whether you're capturing vibrant street scenes at dusk or snapping crisp portraits, the V1's image quality is solid, and its processing speed keeps everything running smoothly. A camera's lens can make or break its versatility, and the Canon V1 comes equipped with a 16 to 50mm equivalent zoom lens. This range offers a great deal of flexibility, covering both wide-angle and standard focal lengths. At 16mm, it's ideal for vlogging, group selfies, or capturing sweeping landscapes. Meanwhile, the 50mm end works well for tighter framing, whether you're shooting portraits or focusing on small details. The lens features an f2.0 to f4.9 variable aperture, which provides decent low-light performance and background blur at the wide end. While some might have hoped for a constant aperture, this compromise helps maintain the camera's compact design. Built-in optical image stabilization adds another layer of practicality, minimizing shake during handheld shooting, a must for vloggers and travel photographers. Canon clearly has its eyes set on the creator market, and the V1's video specs reflect that. It supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second with no crop, a huge plus for vloggers who want to capture a true wide-angle perspective. For those looking to add a cinematic touch, there's also Full HD 120 frames per second slow motion, perfect for dramatic B-roll or creative shots. What really stands out is the inclusion of Canon Log 3 and HDR-PQ, both of which offer extended dynamic range. This means you can shoot with more detail in highlights and shadows, making it easier to color grade your footage in post-production. The face and eye tracking autofocus is snappy and reliable, ensuring your subject remains sharp even while moving. One of the biggest pain points with compact cameras has always been overheating during 4K recording. Thankfully, Canon has introduced an improved cooling system in the V1, allowing for longer recording sessions without the constant worry of shutdowns. While extensive field tests will give us a clearer idea of its limits, this is a promising step forward. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus has long been a fan favorite, and it makes its way into the V1 PowerShot 2. The camera's AI-powered subject tracking locks onto faces and objects with impressive speed and accuracy. Whether you're vlogging, recording action-packed clips, or taking stills, you can count on smooth, precise focus. But that's not all. Canon has packed in some extra shooting features that add to the V1's appeal. There's C-RAW and dual-pixel RAW support, giving creators more control over their images during post-processing. The 1.4x digital crop mode is a handy addition, offering extra reach without the need to swap lenses. Another fun feature is the hybrid auto mode, which automatically compiles photos and short video clips into a quick recap reel. Perfect for effortless social media content. Good video means nothing without solid audio, and Canon knows this well. The V1 features high-quality internal microphones designed to minimize background noise while keeping voices clear and natural. For those wanting more professional-grade sound, there's also a 3.5mm microphone jack, a simple but crucial feature for vloggers and content creators. Connectivity-wise, the V1 has you covered. It supports USB-C charging and data transfer, meaning you can charge on the go using a power bank, ideal for travel vloggers. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to transfer files to your phone or laptop, so you can edit and post content on the fly. Battery life is always a concern with compact cameras, and the Canon V1 offers a decent performance here. You can expect around 300 shots per charge, which should be enough for most day-long shoots or vlogging sessions. Video recording time varies depending on the settings, but the addition of USB-C charging means you can easily extend usage with an external power source, a game changer for creators working on the move. The camera's intuitive interface makes it beginner-friendly, while offering enough manual control for more experienced users. The fully articulating touchscreen is responsive and clear, making menu navigation and shot composition a breeze. Let's talk about when and where you can actually get your hands on the Canon V1 PowerShot. Right now, the camera is only launching in select Asian markets, including China, Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. So, if you're in those regions, you're in luck. But for those of us in North America, it's a bit of a waiting game. According to a Canon USA representative, the V1 is expected to hit the US and other North American markets sometime in 2025. While there's no exact date just yet, they hinted that 2025 is a really good bet. So fingers crossed we see it sooner rather than later. Pricing-wise, the V1 is about $899, putting it right in line with rivals like the Sony ZV-E10 and Fujifilm X105. It's clear Canon is positioning this camera as a premium compact option for vloggers, travelers, and content creators alike. Canon has made a bold move with the V1 PowerShot, blending portability, strong video capabilities, and reliable image quality into a sleek package. For vloggers, travel photographers, and social media creators, this camera looks like a solid companion. The 1-inch stacked sensor, Canon's fast dual-pixel AF, and uncropped 4K video with log support are standout features. Add to that the articulating screen, solid connectivity options, and pro-level audio support, and it's clear Canon is aiming squarely at the content creator crowd. However, there are trade-offs. The variable aperture lens might disappoint those seeking consistent low-light performance, and the battery life, while decent, may fall short for heavy video users. Pricing is fair, but not groundbreaking, so Canon will need to rely on its reputation and feature set to stand out. Ultimately, if you want a compact, creator-focused camera that balances convenience and performance, the Canon V1 PowerShot seems more than ready to step into the spotlight. The big question is, will it live up to the hype in real-world use? We can't wait to find out. So, that's all about the Canon V1. What do you think? Is the Canon V1 shaping up to be your next compact camera, or are you waiting for something better? Let us know in the comments section. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.